Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself as well. I'm your maths teacher and this is your maths period. So class, as you all know, we have learned multiplication and division in our previous lectures. ऐसे ही है ना बच्चों, हमने अपने previous lecture में multiplication और division पढ़ लिया था. तो हम आज उसके कुछ और questions करेंगे, ठीक है? Now we will do some word problems of multiplication and division. So class, it's page number 16 and question number 1 and 4. I am going to solve question number 4 for you. So class, what is question number 4? In question number 4, the statement is 30 children make 5 to 80 paper bags. How many did each child make? Plus 30 children हैं, 30 बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने 5 to 80 पेपर बैग्स बनाए हैं, ठीक है. How many did each child make? फिर एक बच्चे ने कितने बनाए? मीन्स हमें एक अमाउंट बता दी गई है और ये बता दिया गया है कि ये 30 चिल्ड्रंस ने बनाया. हमें किसी एक बच्चे का बताना है कि उस एक बच्चे ने कितने पेपर बैग्स बनाए. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, जब हमने किसी एक चीज की स्पेसिफिक चीज की अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करनी हो ना, बिग क्वांटिटी में से, बड़ी क्वांटिटी में से किसी एक चीज की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी हो तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं उस चीज को. सो क्लास, नंबर ऑफ paper bags, paper bags बेटा कितने थे? They were 5 to 80 and number of children कितने थे बेटा? Number of children were 30. So class, we want to know how many paper bags did each child make. Number of paper bags each child make. So we are going to divide 5 to 80 with 30. We get, now class, divided 5 to 8 and it's 0 with 30. So class, 30 ones are 30, 32s are, you all know, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so 32s are 60. So 62 is greater than 52 and we have to write a value smaller than 52. So it's 30. 30 ones are 30. As you know the division rule, we have to write the value smaller than dividend. Okay. Now subtract it from the value given. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. It's 22. So class, 22 is smaller than 30. We will take 8 from it. Now class, 38s are 240. 240 is greater than 228. So we will take 37s are 210. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 18. As 18 is smaller than 30, so we will take 0 from here. Now it's 180. Class 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 13s are 120, 15s are 5s are 150 and 6 are 180. So 36 are 180. Now class subtract it. 180 minus 180, there's nothing, it's 0. So we get our answer, which is 176. So each child make 176 paper bags. So class, this is a word problem 4 and you have to do word problem 1 by yourself. Okay beta? Now class, we are going to do another concept, which is simplification. Methods of simplification. There are two methods of simplification. First one is Demas rule. Second is BODMAS. But at your class level class, we will only learn about Demas rule. Okay? What is Demas rule and what Demas stands for? So class, for Demas stands for D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So class, our next question is, what is the sequence? If there are 4 operations in a question, so which one operation you are going to solve first? So the sequence is, you will solve first division, second multiplication, and third addition, and fourth one subtraction. So it's Demas rule. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Got it bachcho? Now class, I am giving you an example, which is 4 multiplied by 24 divided by 3 plus 6 minus 8. So students, look at the example. As per Demas rule, you have to solve first division. So look at the division sign. Here it is division sign between 24 and 3. So we will solve first 24 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we will write our answer just below 24 divided by 3 here, 8. Now after division, we do multiplication. So class, where is the multiplication sign? Multiplication sign is between 4 and 8. So we will do multiplication. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 8s are 32. And class, one important thing you have to keep in your mind, that the other values like plus 6 minus 8 will be written as it is written above. Okay? Now class, 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. Now we will write 32 and the other values which are plus 6 minus 8 will be written as it is written. Okay? Now class, after multiplication, we will do addition. So addition sign is between 32 and 6. So 32 plus 6 is 38. We will write 38 just below it. So our last operation is subtraction. Okay? Now 38 minus 8 is equal to 30. This is our final answer. So class, it Demas rule. In first we do division. In second step we do multiplication. In third step we do addition. and in last step we do subtraction. So it's DMAS rule. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Class, one more thing. If any operation is missing, like यहाँ पर multiplication नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे? एडिशन फर्स्ट करोगे. अगर डिवीजन का साइन नहीं है तो आप पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे सॉल्व. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी नहीं है किसी क्वेश्चन में तो आप एडिशन पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके. नाउ क्लास 4, लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर कॉपी वर्क. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ओपन योर कॉपीज and mark date and day on your copies and draw margin lines on both sides of the page. Okay class? So it's page number 18 and question number 4 AB. Solve. So class, we are going to do DMAS rule. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So class, first you have to see any division sign in the question. Can you see any division sign in the question? No, we cannot see any division sign in the question because there is no division sign. So we cannot divide. So after division is multiplication. Now look at the question. Is there any division sign? Is there multiplication sign? No students, there is no multiplication sign in this question. So we cannot multiply anything. After multiplication is addition. Class, look at this question. There is addition sign, okay? We can see addition sign between these two values. So we are going to solve addition first. Solve it class. 5, 2, 4 plus 48. Make a rough column on the right side of your page as I already told you in your previous lecture class. So let do your work. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 and 1 carry. Now 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And there's nothing to add in 5, so we will write 5 as it is written. Now it's 572. Okay, so we will write 572 below this because we are doing addition, so we will write just below this. Okay, now 572 minus 62. So class, after addition is subtraction. So we are going to solve. Subtraction. 572 minus 62. So class, from 572 minus subtract 62. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 5 will be written as it is written. Okay. So it's 5, 10 after subtracting. So our answer is 5, 10. Okay students. इस क्वेश्चन से हमने क्या सीखा है कि अगर हमारे पास डिवाइड का कोई साइन नहीं है तो हम मल्टीप्लाई की तरफ जंप करेंगे. मीन्स हम मल्टीप्लाई पहले करेंगे. We will solve multiplication first, but if we have no multiplication sign, then we will jump towards addition, and if there is no addition sign, then we will jump towards subtraction. Okay class, means आपने कंसीडर सबसे पहले डिवीजन को ही करना है, फिर एडिशन को, फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन को, फिर एडिशन को और फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन को. लेकिन क्लास अगर इसमें कोई भी मिसिंग है तो आप नेक्स्ट की तरफ जंप करेंगे. ओके. क्लास 4, I have done part A for you. Now you have to solve part B by your own. Okay class. Now come to our next question, which is question number 5 AB. And I am going to solve A part for you. And it's 1 140 multiply by 65 plus 130. So class, as we are doing the mass rule, DMAS, so look for D means division first. Is there any division sign? There is no division sign. So class, we cannot divide anything. So second is multiplication. Is there any multiplication sign? Yes, students. Tell me, is there any multiplication sign? Yes. Here it is multiplication sign between these two values. So we will solve first at multiplication. Okay. Now solve it. Multiply 140 with 65. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 2 carry, and 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So it's 700. Now our next step. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, again 2 carry, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now class add it. 0, 0, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 and 1 carry. Now it's 9100. Okay, we get our answer which is 9100, and we will write the next value as it is written. So class, our next step is addition. So add 9100 with 130. 9100 and 130. So we get 2, 9. We get 9230, and there is no subtraction sign, so we cannot subtract. This is our final answer. Okay class? Students, you have to do part B by your own. Okay. So this is your C work. This is your copy work. And I am going to write your diary, your maths homework. Okay. So class, this is your diary for today. It's page number 15, question number 9, part DE, page number 16, question number 8, page number 18, question number 4, part CD, question number 5, part CD on copy. So class, you have to do these all parts by yourself, and I hope you have understood the concept. Okay class, take care. Allah Hafiz.